Hey guys, so I'm back with this month's BoxyCharm. This is for the month of August. So the first thing I got is actually a peel-off mask. Yes. So this right here is from Pure Ex Barbie. This is the glittering pink brightening peel-off mask. So you get 2 ounces for $26. So this was actually created for the 60th anniversary of Barbie. Holy smokes. So this has licorice extract, green tea, vitamin B, and ginseng. Am I saying that right? Ginseng. I just want to get a close-up on my skin. I already love it. Just look at this color. Look at that. It's so pretty. Ah, this is the color I want in my hair. So she is sticky. I'm a genius and didn't bring a mirror. So, hello viewfinder. The scent is very faint, so I don't really smell anything. Picked a bad time to have a beard, y'all. I'll tell you that. So here it is. It says leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna attempt to peel her. She's very glittery. It looks like fish food. I usually like to do a thin layer just because I don't really think it's necessary to do a thick layer. It's kind of wasteful in my opinion. But the only downside with doing thin layers is that it doesn't peel off in one go. So usually eyeshadows in these shades usually tend to stain your lids, at least for me. So that was kind of one of my concerns, is if this would stain my face. That'd be something else. But it's not. So good, yes. I'm gonna go rinse my face real quick. I'll be right back. So she was pretty easy to rinse off just with water. That's what I did. My face feels the same. What do you look like? It looks sparkly. So it did kind of like leave, I don't know, will this pick it up? Will it pick up? Yeah, so it did leave like some sparkle gold residue. I personally don't mind that. I like the glitter, I like the sparkle, but soap will probably help. Says it's gonna deliver immediate radiance. Is that just the glitter? Next product is from Wander, and this is their Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. So this is going to set you back $42. So this is going to hydrate and instantly absorb into the skin. I already put my basic moisturizer on. Don't know if that's a good idea, but I did it. So what I'm going to do is actually this half of my face, I'm going to use just this guy as the moisturizer kind of thing, and then this half I'm going to blend it in with my foundation. See if it does a little difference. My foundation is what are you? It's Revlon Color Stay. This foundation is a little bit on the matte side. Let's see if it makes a difference. It doesn't really look like oil, but we're gonna go with it. Ooh. So she definitely gave somewhat of a little shine glow over there without the shimmer and stuff like that. So she's pretty nice and healthy looking. I'm liking this. We're like, this could be like natural makeup. She's looking dewy. Do another layer because I'm extra. She's looking really flawless. Like, I have 2 layers on. It doesn't look super makeup-y. It kind of looks slightly skin-like, slightly. Whatever's remaining, I'm going to mix a little bit into the foundation and see if that makes a difference. So as far as application goes, I do prefer this side only because this one looks a little bit better. Like this area right here looks a little bit textured. That could just be my face. This side I used it more as like a primer, and this side was more like a mixing medium kind of thing. So I do prefer putting it on first because it just blends out so much more effortlessly. Coverage wise, kind of the same. Yeah, it's not really picking up, but this side has a little bit more texture. This side looks a little bit more smooth. Next, I got me some face powder. This is from Becca. This is their Hydra-Mist and Refresh powder. Very pretty packaging, love it. Has their Becca on it. So this costs $39. This is going to set and or refresh your makeup. This is formulated with 50% water and glycerin and creates a mist-like sensation for the skin. I was kind of hoping this might be like the Revlon, the old, you know, back in the day, the Revlon color, the aqua, the Revlon aqua, whatever it was called. It felt like you're putting water in your face. Okay, but if this is like that, that'd be so cool. Because I think they discontinued that one. I love that it has this kind of packaging where you pop this open, because ones that just have a hole in it, you open it, poof, everywhere. So this will keep it somewhat, hopefully, cleaner. That was a lot. Okay. I'm scared. All right, I'm not gonna peel. I'm not gonna take this sticker out. Actually, Should I? You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm scared though. Don't go my face. Not yet. Oh. This looks so finely milled. How exciting. How much do I use? All right, I'm gonna just use a little bit. Get back in there. Get back in there. Hold on, I want to touch it. Yeah. Very finely milled. Like, it feels very silky, like it cleans. That's a nice powder. Come on. Please feel wet. Oh, it does. It does. I love it. I love this. You guys, if you guys remember the aqua, it's like that. Oh, snap. This is awesome. I love this. Is there any shimmer? Please say no. No shimmer. This is great. This is great. I love this. My skin looks very smooth. My new favorite powder, guys. In a hurry, I don't usually use loose powders just because it's messy. If they had a pressed formula of this, I would totally get it. But I love this. This is good stuff. Next thing is a mascara. This is from Tarte. Love Tarte. This is their Big Ego Mascara. This will retail for $23. This is an ultra black formula and it's gonna lift your lashes. It's a mascara, guys. It's gonna make your lashes longer. Let's see what it looks like. Here's my non-existent lashes. You guys, this packaging is so pretty with this pink. Oh my gosh. If my lashes stay up, this is nice. But not a big fan of mascara in general, just because my lashes droop down, so I just stick with drugstore. But this is pretty nice. I'm sure I'm gonna try to build multiple coats on this guy and see how big I can get it. So this right here is about 3 coats, as much as I'm gonna do, because that's a lot. But you guys, my lashes are still kind of standing. This is a nice mascara. Definitely not great for the bottom lash line, but so if you're into mascara, whether it's drugstore or high-end, that is a mascara worth checking out. It does keep my lashes curled up, and this is pretty nice. Now the true test is how it will wear. My lashes feel soft. It doesn't feel like crunchy. Hopefully this doesn't like what's that word? What's that? Crumble? Like the black specks on my face throughout the day, or smudge. So the last thing in the box is more lashes. So this is from the brand Lashaholics, and this is their Instaglam Falls eyelashes. This will retail for $14.99. And here's the lashes. These are really nice. These were totally easy to put on. Very thin band, makes it so much easier to apply. What do you think? I love it. Instantly glammed up this look with those lashes, right? Lashes will totally transform your look no matter what. I'm kind of lazy to do it because I'm not that good. But these are the kind of lashes that will make you want to apply them because of how easy they are. So that's it for that BoxyCharm. The total value of this box came out to be $144.99. Yes, this box was very simple, but I kind of had fun doing this. This face mask was pretty fun. It does tear, like it's kind of not as easy as some other peel off masks to peel off, and it's not because of the thin layer. I've done thin layers before with other masks, and this one, it's still pretty. It does leave a little bit of glitter residue. Yes, I kind of like this, but my skin looks very flawless, so say thank you. Again, not a big fan of mascara, but this was not bad, and I love the packaging. It's very simple but very cute, and my lashes stay curled up, which actually helped these lashes stay on. These lashes were pretty amazing. Very cute packaging, very easy to apply. My all-time favorites is this guy right here. This is amazing. This totally feels so refreshing when you put it on. It feels like your brush is wet, but it's not. It doesn't ruin your makeup, and your foundation looks flawlessly smooth. Like, airbrushed. If there's a pressed powder version of this, guys, let me know because I want to pick it up. So if you guys like that video, please give it a thumbs up. It will help me out a lot. If you don't like it, sorry, you can thumbs it down. Leave a comment down below. Tell me how you doing. I'm lonely. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye.